The Nifty opened with a positive bias today and traded with a positive bias during the first hour of trading session. However, after that it corrected intraday and it took support at the 20-hour moving average, and thereafter closed with a positive bias of closed with a positive gain of 15 points on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was pretty even with 746 advances to 739 declines. Some of the gainers in trade today were the Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, L&T, Tata Motors and ITC. And some of the major losers which dragged the Nifty down were the HDFC Limited, TCS, Infosys and Bharti. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts we can observe that since last 3-4 trading sessions there is no great price action. The Nifty intraday is trading in a range of around 40 to 45 points, and there is no huge swing, or the swing low or the swing high is not being breached on either side, which is indicating that the consolidation is taking much more larger time than it generally does. So 6748 is the level which we are closely watching. That is the 20-day simple moving average, and if the Nifty sustains above or closes above 6748, then it is a good sign and the traders can go long above 6748. Until and unless 6748 on the upside is taken out, we advise traders to be cautious and trade Nifty cautiously. On the hourly charts we can observe that the Nifty is for the whole day traded along the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, failing to cross on the upside and failing to fall below on the downside, and the Nifty is just not giving any confirmation that it will go up or it will go down, trading in a sideways manner for the whole part of the day. Overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive until and unless the crucial supports of 6656 and 6625, which is the 40-day exponential moving average, are reached on the downside. Our short-term target on the upside remains at 6900. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed with a positive gain today, and as in our last update we pointed out that it is forming a wedge pattern on the upside, that is ending diagonal pattern. As of now we are counting this as an ending diagonal pattern, and we expect that wave E on the upside is still pending off that pattern, which means that the levels of 13,000 and 13,268, which are the 13,000 which is the previous swing high, and 13,268 on the upside can be tested in the coming trading sessions. For that the swing low of 12,738 has to hold on. Below that the crucial support is 12,514. That's all for the day. Thank you.